Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Harley-Davidson Sportster NIGHTSTER. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Harley-Davidson Sportster NIGHTSTER with 11,040 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, Harley-Davidson grips, a Mustang seat, a Roland Sands Designs primary cover, rider footrest, docking hardware, a shift arm, an LED fuel gauge, and a fuel cap. We have replaced the front tire. Powered by a 1200cc V-twin engine, the NIGHTSTER puts 79 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.3-gallon fuel capacity, the NIGHTSTER has a 140 to 165-mile range. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and a 665-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the muffler, a chip on the triple tree, a scrape on the foot peg mount, scratch on the mirror housing, finishes worn on the turn signal, scratches on the left turn signal, and scratches on the side cover. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.